In this video, we're going to talk about the most common crypto scams and how you can avoid them.
Right, thank you, AI. Yes, we're going to talk about the various different crypto scams and how to avoid them. Alright, so why scams are worse than ever before? In 2025, scams are more advanced than ever thanks to AI-generated fake websites, deepfake impersonating influencers, fast-moving fake coins and tokens, mobile wallets attacks. But the good news, if you know what to watch for, you can stay ahead of it. Alright, so we're going to talk about things you watch out for to scam so that you can avoid being scammed. Let's go. Top 7 crypto scams to avoid. Phishing sites, fake wallets. Now, phishing sites is, for instance, when you create fake sites that look like the original. We had that issues in Pi a lot. Throughout the times we were mining Pi and trying to get Pi, people created fake sites that are like Pi sites or Pi wallets and stuff like that, and they asked people to put in their seed phrase. A lot of people did. Then when the Pi was migrated, in less than 5 seconds, a lot of people lost their Pi. You have to be careful of fake phishing sites. Those sites will look like the original, but they're not the originals. You always ask for your seed phrase, and no original's website will ask for your seed phrase. So always be careful about that. Another top crypto scam to look out for is pump and dump groups. They're in telegrams, a lot of them are telegrams, and they give you coins at this point you're going to pump, buy, or sell. Be careful of groups like that, because when you pump with the group and everything goes very fast, after a period of time, boom, the money is gone. So I joined one of those groups some time ago, and then I lost a lot of money because we were pumping coins. I wouldn't even know where they came from. Alright, the guy would just announce this coin is going to pump by 11 p.m. It's going to get 1,000%. It's going to get 2,000%. And then when you join into this coin, before you know what's happening, in less than 10-20 minutes, they're out. You that paid a lot of money to join into the coin have lost it. So be careful of all those kind of things. Yeah? If someone aggressively sharing a random token, just stay away. Okay? So talking from experience here. Alright, airdrops comes to something you have to be careful about. A lot of airdrops out there. When airdrops started newly on Telegram, there were a lot of them, which I joined most of them, and they put my wallet address and all of that stuff because I didn't know much about airdrops those days. So also I lost all of my coins. I saw my money, just went to be disappeared all of a sudden. When you just see Ethereum gone, you just see Bitcoin gone. You don't know how it happened. It's because we were part of airdrops that were fake airdrops, and they requested a lot of things. So never interact with unknown tokens you don't request. Any token you do not request for, do not interact with it. Alright? So we have fake influencers, giveaway scams, impersonating big names. Do you understand? Like Elon Musk and the rest of them. Be careful of stuff like that. Okay, no legit project will ask you to send crypto for a reward. That's very important. I always say that legit projects were not supposed to ask for money or ask for anything. The highest is maybe gas fee, which is very, very minimal, very small amount, 0.00 something dollars, alright? But anything that starts asking you for a certain amount of money, something is wrong, right? So you give away for those kind of projects, very important. Okay, also you have issues of malicious smart contracts. You approve a contract without reading it. Okay, it drains your wallet, so always read, and then you use the Etherscan or wallet guard to check of all those kind of situations, because when you don't read the contract and you don't know what's inside the contract and you just approve, before you know what's happened, you have access to your wallet and then everything in your wallet is gone. So it's very important to look at for stuff like that. Now we have rug pulls. I've always talked about rug pulls in most of my videos, how they affect your coin had their serious scams and their problems in the crypto space. A token is launched, gains hype, and then the team disappears with all the funds. Do you understand? We have a lot of those kind of situations when it comes to celebrities. They will come out and announce a certain coin and make a lot of noise. Information reaching me recently said some comedians in Nigeria came together early this year, January, to create coins. One of them was the Sabinus coin. They hype those coins. Influencers will tell them, okay, this is the percentage you're going to get. You hype those coins seriously, you make a lot of noise about it, and before you know what's happening, boom, the coin is out. They've sold out and they're out of the market, and they've millions of dollars, millions of naira, and then they share the profit and all that. So be careful of log pools. Okay, do your own research, right? Check if the dev team are anonymous. Look for liquidity logs and contract audits. So always do your own research when it comes to crypto space. It's very important. Okay. Now we have fake customer support on Twitter, on Reddit, on Telegram. People who are claiming to be support agents for a particular crypto coin or a particular project. Always check out for the legit ones, right? Because no legit support team will ever for your seed phrase. None. That seed phrase or private key is yours to hold. So be very careful when you participate in a project, right? So, how to protect yourself? Very important. It's very, very important advice to use cold wallets like Ledger or Tether. I've talked about cold wallets. Cold wallets are something that they're physical, like flash drives. Okay, check my videos where I talked about hot and cold wallets. You see the full definitions of cold wallets. All right. So we have enable 2FA. Okay, two-factor authentication. Very important on all your exchanges and wallets. All right. You do only have access to that. That is also a strong security for your wallet or your exchanges. Never share your seed phrase with anyone. Very important. Never share your seed phrase with anyone that you don't trust or anyone at all. Okay. Keep your seed phrase to yourself. Whenever you need to access your wallet or change apps, you can always access your wallet with your seed phrase. Okay. Use browser wallets with phishing protection. So wallets that have the protection for phishing sites that will not be able to get to you. Always try to use browsers that can do that. Okay, like I've always said, do your own research. It's very important you do your own research before investing in any project. Education is your best sense. All right, so these are the things you need to avoid when you're going into the crypto space, and make sure you look out for those things. All right, okay. Scams are part of crypto. Very important, they are part of crypto, but don't have to catch you off guard. All right, careful and always look out for scams. Let me know in the comments. Have any questions or you come to scam before? Let's talk about it. Your story could help someone else avoid a huge mistake. All right, like in this video I just talked about the experiences I've had with scams. All right, like this video, help and subscribe for daily or weekly videos I'll be sending, and I'll be grateful if you subscribe. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.